Welcome to WritersER, where we guide you through the complexities of academic writing for doctoral and master's students. Today we're focusing on a goal many of you aspire to, becoming an influential scholar in your field. Achieving recognition for your research isn't just about hard work. It involves strategic planning and smart networking. Let's explore key strategies that can help elevate your academic profile and ensure your research makes a lasting impact. First and foremost, producing high-quality research is crucial. This means not only choosing a significant relevant topic, but also employing rigorous methodologies and thorough data analysis to ensure your findings are robust and reproducible. Your research should contribute new insights to your field and address gaps in existing knowledge. What are some of the ways you ensure your research is both innovative and rigorous? Let me know in the comments. Publication is another critical step in gaining scholarly fame. Target high-impact journals in your field for your manuscripts. Understand the audience and criteria of your chosen journals, and tailor your submissions to fit their scopes. This increases your chances of acceptance and ensures your research reaches the right audience, maximizing your visibility and influence. Networking is indispensable in the academic world. Attend conferences, seminars, and workshops not only to learn and stay updated on the latest research, but also to meet peers and established leaders in your field. These connections can lead to collaborative opportunities, further research projects, and invitations to speak at events or contribute to prestigious publications. Engage with the broader community through public speaking and online platforms. Presenting your research at conferences, guest lectures, and webinars helps build your reputation as a knowledgeable and approachable expert. Additionally, maintaining an active professional presence on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and research-specific networks like ResearchGate can increase your visibility and influence. Consider the power of teaching and mentorship. By sharing your knowledge and guiding younger scholars, you not only contribute to the development of your field, but also build a network of colleagues who respect and support your work. These relationships can be incredibly beneficial as your mentees move into their professional roles across academia and industry. Finally, be proactive about funding and grants. Securing funding not only supports your research, but also adds to your credibility as a scholar. Write compelling grant proposals that highlight the novelty and importance of your research, and seek out both traditional and unconventional funding sources. As we wrap up today's discussion on becoming an influential scholar, think about the steps you can take to expand your impact. Which of these strategies are you already using, and which do you need to develop further? Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments to foster a community of ambitious researchers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more insights into academic success. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable guidance for scholars eager to make their mark. Remember, becoming a renowned scholar isn't just about producing cutting-edge research. It's about ensuring your work is seen, respected, and built upon by others. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your academic profile, contribute significantly to your field, and achieve the scholarly fame you deserve. Stay motivated, stay connected, and let's push the boundaries of knowledge together.